Welcome guys, another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? Now, as you all know that Mortal Kombat 9, Mortal Kombat Complete Edition is delisted and you could no longer purchase the game, right? So in today's tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how to get the game and then how you could play it online again because it's no longer on Steam and the servers are quite dead. Alright, this game came out in 2011 and it was the first modern combat game to ever came out after Mortal Kombat 4, which came out in the 90s. And this game, guys, I played this game story mode and it was amazing, guys. You understand? And I was trying to look for the game on Steam but I didn't see it, and just to know that it was delisted and no longer being sold. Alright, so once we're back, guys, I'll show you how to install the game and other stuff, right? So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back, right? So if you're typing as you see on if you click it on Steam, Mortal Kombat Komplete Edition is no longer available on Steam store, so you cannot buy it. And if you're typing right, the only way you could get it is you could download from here, or maybe you could buy it on Amazon, right? But if you don't have the money to buy it, I'll show you to get it. Right, so let's go to over games. This is where I download my game, but I will package the game for you guys, right? Alright, so I download the game from here, right? But I wouldn't show you all the full process. I would just package the game for you guys, right? So before you could I will just package the game for you guys, right? So you will just need WinRAR download. You just go to here, download WinRAR, choose your language, and you will need virtual clone drive. Go to here, click here, and then you will just download, right? Once you download, install it to show up in the tray. You will just click on it here, set your number of drive, and your drive will show up here. Alright, so that is like all you will need. So I'm gonna this is the files here, right? So I'm gonna extract the game, right? You will extract part 1 and part 2 will extract on its own, right? So the game is extracting here, right? So it's gonna take some time to extract, guys. Remember, just extract part 1, but as I told you guys, I will package the game for you guys with the online fix and everything. So once the game is close to finish extracting, I'll be back, right? Because it's gonna take a little while to extract. I don't want to keep you guys waiting, right? I don't want to keep the video going too long, so I'll be back. "18 seconds, 16 seconds, 15 seconds, guys. Time is going down. Once you hear that song, that means the game has been fully extracted. Now you don't need these files again. Just delete them. Alright, you wouldn't need this again. Alright, so let's do this for a while. Alright. The send the file is opening. Avast is just checking the file, so it will delete after a while, right? So let's go to installing the game. You have two DVD 1, DVD 2. So you mark the first one in case you want to download the game for yourself. I'm going to show this part one time. So as you see, it's mounted to the drive that I created. Alright, and you just go to setup. Choose your language. Create desktop shortcut and just let the game install. Right, it's gonna take a while. Now it will ask for this too, so I'll be back. Right, so it will just take its time to install everything, so just have patience and let it install. And then when it asks for this too, I'll be back and I'll show you to how to mount this too to continue installing the game. Right, so stay tuned and I'll be back. Alright guys, we are back. Right now it will ask for this too, so what you will do, just go back, go to downloads and go to the folder where the game is, go to this too, right click, and you will swap it with and to show up here. Alright, so you just press OK and it will finish installing. Alright, the game is finished installing and you will need to apply the crack, which is right here. Copy, go to here, copy and replace. Alright, and that's that. You can now unmount the game. Unmount. Alright, you can now delete this, you wouldn't need it again. Alright, so once we're back, I will show you how to apply the online fix. Right, I'll be back. Okay guys, we are back and we're going to apply the online fix. Right now, this is the online fix here. Open it up, and you need to extract it. So this, yeah, and this is the password here. Password here. So this is the online fix here. Right, you need to copy this, open the game file location. Right, open back up the crack and you'll just copy the crack right here and replace. Right, now on the online fix me just now. Right, go to here. Alright, and make sure everything is set. DLCs, right? So let's see. Alright, so what you'll need now is to just start the game and the online fix should work. Right, so I'll be back guys. Right, I'll be back with connecting my PS4 controller and starting the game and fixing any issues if we have any issues, right? So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back, right? So I'm gonna start up my PS4 controller, as you can see here. And I'm gonna connect my controller now, right? So I'll just have to press here. So I will just have to press here, and press here, and it should connect. Alright, there you go. My controller is connected. So I'm gonna start up the game and see if it will work. Make sure you have Steam open. You need to have Steam in order to play online, right? So make sure you have Steam. You have to have Steam. Download Steam, make an account on Steam, so before you could play online. Right? Make sure you have a controller as well hooked up. If you have a PS4 controller, you need DS4 Windows. You need to set up DS4 Windows and connect your controller. If you have any problem with that, if you have a PS4 controller and you have an issue to connect it with Windows to play games, then join the Discord server and I'll help you guys, right? And join the Discord server for the game. I will have the game in the Discord server, right? So it's taking a while to start up, guys. I don't know why. Right, it's now start up. Let's see if the controller will work. Alright guys, so if you're having trouble with your control like I did, that's why I was in the video. You will have to have Space Wars installed on your PC right now. If you need help with the controller, then join the Discord server. You have to have Space War installed, then right click, go to controller and disable Steam input, and then your controller will work, as you see. Right, so I'm gonna start the game again with my controller. Alright guys, I have to lower the volume because you all won't be able to hear me, right? Now, so now that you apply the online fix, now you can now go to online, connect into the lobby, just give it a while, and there you go, it's connected, right? Alright guys, so in order to play right, I now figured it out because I watched over the video. I play on these games back in 2022. You go to online, Alright, so watch carefully. Let it connect. So what you must be on Steam to invite your friends, right? So your friend have to install Steam and you'll be able to invite your friend, right? I'll show you how to do it, right? Go to private match 1v1 and then you'll press shift plus tab to open up the overlay, and you'll just find a friend to invite, and you will see invite to game, invite your friend to the game, and you go to a message, your friend will get, you will see a space war, but that's just the name of the program, but that's how you'll play with your friend, right? So once your friend accept the invite, you'll be able to join a match, right? So that's how you'll play with your friends, right? So I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's, you can still go to here, maybe you could read stats, you can still go to leaderboards, and so this is the only way you'll be able to play this game and then again with your friends, guys. So thanks for watching and have a great day, and I will see you next video to come. Take care and bye.